Hey you guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday and I'm so glad it's the weekend so I can come home and get a little rest, you guys, which I didn't. I was up doing stuff, washing. You know how it go, you guys. Got to prepare for the next week. But I had ordered this Clinique. This is my first time me seeing it. I ordered it from Macy's. And I used the other Clinique. Can y'all see this? Whoop! Bam! Okay. This is Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Corrector Serum. Okay. This is new. And the reason why I ordered this, you guys, because I had $10 in Star Rewards that was expiring in 2 days, and I forgot all about I had that reward. So I said, oh, let me think about something. So this, I got this for like $27, a really small box. Now I do use the Clinique product, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm used to and what I use on a daily basis, okay? Now this is what I always purchase. This is a must-have. Ladies, this is a must-have. Your skin will look so naturally glowing, okay? No matter your skin complexion, the skin type, this is a must-have. And I usually get mine from Macy's, but Targets also do sell it. Okay, when you go online, Targets do sell it. But this is a must. This is the go-to moisturizer that I use every morning before I walk out my door. But, you guys, we are going to try this. Okay, this is something new. Okay, what you get in here is this is the wrinkle correcting serum right here. And this is the wrinkle correcting cream. And this is here is the wrinkle correcting eye cream. You know how we do, you guys, when we get older. Wrinkle. So, without further ado, we are going to try this and see how it works. And hold on. Whoop. Okay, first we're going to pin back the hair. It is so cool, guys. It is really cool out there. You can hear the wind. Let me take off my glasses. And I'm going to cleanse my skin with my Almay wipes. Always make sure whatever you do, any moisturizer, guys, you cleanse your skin. You cleanse your skin really, really well. So, it's so quiet in here. You only hear my clock just tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay. We're gonna start off with this serum. Oh, with this serum. I'm gonna put a little bit on my finger. That's it. Don't have any smell. Because one place that I noticed where it's like right up in here in my forehead. Yes, indeed. Right up in here. You got to keep your skin looking youthful. as long as you could. You know, we can't do nothing about the rest. We can't. Okay, this is the eye cream. A little hard to open there. I say it doesn't have a smell. Doesn't have a smell. Get around here. That's where the crow lines be, right up in here. So this is, like I said, this is my first time me buying this, you guys. So this is my first time me trying this with everybody looking. So I'm gonna show you. It said it's visible, reduce stubborn lines by 32% with our smartest serum. 32%. Okay. It says a smooth and review lab kit brings together favorite products from Clinique's popular Skin School class. Okay, you guys. So here we go. It's regular $35, but like I said, I had $10 in Star Rewards, so that's what I purchased to put on my face, you guys. I can tell you now, my skin is soft. Okay. And remember, when people see you and greet you for the first time, the first thing they do is look in the eye area. That's where that contact is made. So you always, guys, take care of that. If anything, take care of that eye. Because when you meet folks, that's the first face. It's your face, those eyes. Okay? Whoop. So, without further ado, you guys, I thank you for watching and trying this new product with me. I'm excited. Yes, I'm excited. And I know a little goes a long way. So I will be using this every night before I go to bed. And hopefully I will see results within 7 days, okay? This is what they said. Within 7 days, you will notice something. So I'm going to see, can I notice it? But anyway, you guys, I thank you for watching and bye-bye for now. Bye, guys.